In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your very own website using HostGator. If you're ready to start your online journey, whether for a personal blog, portfolio, or small business, this guide will walk you through each step in an easy-to-follow manner. Let's begin by opening the Chrome browser. You'll want to visit HostGator's website by typing in www.hostgator.com into the address bar. Once there, you'll notice a prominent Get Started button. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to choosing a hosting plan that's right for you. HostGator offers various plans based on your needs, so take a moment to consider what you might require. Whether you're anticipating a large influx of visitors or just need a simple setup, HostGator has options to fit your situation. After selecting a plan, you'll move on to the domain registration step. Here, you can either register a brand new domain name or use an existing one if you already have it. A domain name is crucial as it represents your website's unique address on the internet, so give this some thought. Next, it's time to create your HostGator account. You'll be prompted to fill in some information. Make sure to enter accurate details to ensure that your account setup goes smoothly. This includes your personal and payment information. Once everything is filled out, proceed to complete the payment. This will activate your hosting plan, bringing you one step closer to getting your website online. With your account created and payment done, log into the HostGator cPanel. The cPanel is essentially your control hub where you can manage your website efficiently. If you're new to this, don't worry. It might seem a bit technical at first, but with time, you'll find your way around. In the cPanel, you'll have the option to either use the website builder or install WordPress via Softaculous. The website builder is user-friendly, providing you with a straightforward method to construct your site from scratch. However, if you're looking for a more robust content management system, installing WordPress might be the way to go. Softaculous makes this process easy with just a few clicks. Decide on the option that best suits your needs and technical comfort level. Finally, it's time to customize your website and make it truly yours. This involves choosing a theme, adding your own content, images, and possibly tweaking the design to reflect your personal or brand style. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, go ahead and publish your site. Congratulations, you've just created your very own website. Stay patient and have fun with it. Your online presence is now ready to share with the world.